Introducing the HM1300 Straight Brake. In this video, we'll introduce you to this robust and easy-to-use machine designed to streamline your sheet metal bending tasks. The HM1300 Straight Brake is the epitome of simplicity and ease of use. It's the ideal machine for repeatedly and consistently bending sheet metal for simple fabrication. Let's take a look at some of its features. All HM machines use precision ground tooling. Equipped with a straight one-piece angled nose bar, you're guaranteed accurate bends every time. The repeat angle stop allows you to easily create consistent, repeatable bends with ease. Precise material positioning is made possible with cross-driven clamping, enhancing efficiency and accuracy. Full-length apron lift handles are ergonomically designed and enable easy operation, reducing strain and fatigue during prolonged use. It comes with standard floor mounting legs, but can also be bench mounted for mobile applications. And the HM1300 Straight Brake is unique in its ability to accommodate an optional slitter attachment, further expanding its usefulness and fabrication capability. Now let's take a look at its specifications. The maximum bend length is 53 inches. Maximum material capacity is 20 gauge mild steel. The maximum opening is 1.5 inches. The maximum folding angle is 135 degrees. The approximate shipping dimensions are 60 inches wide by 20 inches deep by 42 inches high. The approximate shipping weight is 200 pounds. The HM1300 Straight Brake can also accommodate a number of accessories to further streamline your sheet metal fabrication. As noted previously, there's a slitter attachment available which can smoothly perform straight cuts in metal as thick as 24 gauge. A rear shelf accessory can be attached to support larger sheets during bending, and a back gauge is available to allow easy, repeatable bends at a consistent depth. With its simple and straightforward design, features that enable accurate and repeatable bending, and ability to add or swap accessories, the HM1300 Straight Brake is the ultimate solution for all your simple sheet metal bending needs.